Welcome, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a really simple way how you can easily add subtask in Todoist. So let's start. The first thing that you want to do is just click here on add task, and let's go on a YouTube yoga for, I don't know, shoulders. Click on it, and when you're gonna click on it, you're gonna see subtasks here. So we want to click here, add a subtask, and you can add, create a script. Then I can go prepare, and voila. Now what can I do? I can simply click on that and create a subtask in prepare video, or you can like schedule it if you want to, or you can add a comment, or you can add more tasks, questions like changing the priority here, right? So yeah, this is pretty much it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And have a great day and goodbye. See ya.